Everybody, let me talk in this video about one of most interesting sorting algorithm, name it merge sort. Merge sort using concept name it a divide and conquer, like in this way. Divide and conquer. So what does that mean? So if we think about merge sort, let me think about you have it array with 8 elements. So I would say, okay, I have array. Let me just clean everything so I have larger space to work with. I would say, okay, I have array with 8 elements. This way. And here you go. I have 8 elements for it. Okay, I would divide it to 8 elements. So let's suppose I have it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully 8 elements. Now with the number I have it, let's suppose I have 1, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 5, 9. When you talk about divider and dequeur, that's mean, okay, you take the array and divide it from the middle. So first thing, you just divide it from here. You have 4 elements in this side and 4 elements in this side. So now that means we have 2 array. Every array have 4 elements. So let me divide in this way. I will say, okay, I will divide it in this way. I will say, okay, I have 4, not this one, not this line. Hope. I have 4 elements here, and I have other 4 elements here. Just mean do it in this way to make everything clear. Say okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you move the elements. You have 1, 8, 7, 4, and here you have 3, 2, 5, 9. Now again, everyone will divide it in 2 arrays. So this one 2 and this one 2. That means I have now 4 array. So 2 element, 2 element, 2 element, 2 element. And here you go. 2, 2, 2, and 2. Let's suppose. So I have 5, 9 here. Let me remove this line, 5, 9, and have 3, 2. I have 4, 7. I have 1, 8. Now again, this should be divided in 1, 1, 1. So now finally I have 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9, 5, 3, 2, 7, 4, 1, 8. This what we mean by divide and dequeur. So that's mean you just you have bigger problem. If you see it, I have bigger problem with 8. I just divide it to smaller problem, and you try to solve this smaller problem. So now you have 1 and 8. You just solve this one. How you just take this 2 elements and sort them. You say 1, 8. Then you take these 2 elements, 7, 4. You sort them. You will add 7, then 4. Say, or sorry, 4 and 7. Then you sort these 2. You say, okay, 2 and 3. Then you take this 2 problem, 5 and 8. So instead having 8 elements, you just now have 2 to every small problem. Now you would then merge it to 4 and 4 problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one will be merge it to 4 problem. Is that right? Yes. So now I have 1, 8. So you take add 1, then 4, then 7, then 8. You just merge and sort, merge and sort. Now we have here 2, then 3, then 5, then 9. Now finally you have big array with 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have now, you say, okay, with the largest one is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 7, hopefully, then 9. So I don't have 8 element. I have 4, Hopefully I just did correct. When I just take 1, then 2. Oh, I think I did mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me just, this is last step was not correct. So let me just remove it and use pen to make it clear for you. You see, okay, I have 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you got it. I would use different colors for moving elements, so it will be easy to follow. Which the last one is the 1. You add 1, so now 1 is done. So was the second last one is 2, so you just take 2 and add it here. Was the third next one, you have 4. I think here I have 1, 2, 7, this one 8, not 4. So this is what make mistake, because this is 8, not 4. So yes, so now I have 2. Then what the third last element is 3, then 4, then 5, then 7, then 8, then 9. If you see how we sort the element, we just first we have bigger problem, we change it to smaller problems, then we try to solve it as a smaller problem, solve a smaller problem, then go up. This is what mean divide and conquer. Divide and conquer concept mean you take a bigger problem, divide it into smaller problem, you solve every smaller problem alone, then you merge the content to get the final data. So how much the complexity would be for this code to be executed? So did you see what we have here? You have 8 problem, then it be 4, then it be 2, then it be 1. Is that right? If you see it, get to middle. That means this take log n time to get executed. But how many elements you have? We have n element because we need to do sorting other stuff. So let's say n log n. So the big O for this algorithm will be n log n. That means we have log n because we divide in a smaller problem, and this operation have to be done in n times. So I would say, okay, this code will take n log n. This for time. For space complexity, this would take O of n. Why of n? Because you need to use temporary array. That's what we see in the implement next to store the data and merge the component. Here we done, and thank you for watching, and see you next.